Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can set forced registration requirements for your KW agent site. So with the new KW agent sites, you have an option to help drive more registrations and give more opportunities for capturing those leads on your KW site. So by default, anyone can just go on your website, use the property search, and access an unlimited amount of specific property detail pages without creating an account on your site. With the forced registration settings, you're able to keep it unrestricted, set requirements for consumers to register after a certain number of property page views. So you have some options in there, and I'm going to show you how you can go in and make those changes. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to log into command, which is agent.kw.com with your KW login credentials. Then we're going to navigate over to the website's applet on the left-hand side. Let it load. So as you can see, there is a new look to the KW agent site. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click settings. So we'll click manage settings here. And on here, we are going to scroll down to the tab that says forced registration. And on here, this is how we're going to be able to go in and make those changes. So we can choose that visitors are able to view 10 properties on your site before they're asked to register, or we can make it 2, or we can say no properties at all. So whichever you choose, we're just going to say we want 10 properties. We'll click that, and then we'll click save. After they view 10 properties on your site, they're going to be forced to create an account on your agent site or sign in if they already have an account. And that'll help filter those back to your database so that you can contact those leads. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always more than happy to help out.